Who's the most Who's the most prettiest in this whole world? It's you, it's me, it's you and me. Here in the downstairs. You know, to dry your hair. Am I too hot? Am I too hot? So I just moved into my new apartment in Venice again. So I'm staying at this hotel, Hotel La de... Okay, I'm gonna put the name in the description below. So this is how it looks with all the Italic, you know, culture also in here in the downstairs. This is my room. So basically they will give you this lock that is so heavy. I don't think I'm gonna carry this heavy thing. I'm gonna remove it. In my neighbor's room it looks like that. It's all imprinted with their culture. Yeah, that's the Hotel La Venice with an F. So welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. Let me take you to a journey in Italy. To be Pacific, Venice. And to be Pacific, let me get the name of the hotel where I'm staying at. Okay, help me. I don't know Italian, but I'm just gonna read it in whatever accent my tongue is gonna take it. So, Hotel La Venice et das Artas. Okay, let me try and pronounce it the way that they pronounce it. Hotel La Venice et das Artas. I tried. So yeah, as you enter my room, this is what you will see. Just look at the door. It's all imprinted with their culture. I mean, I believe that this was the way that the hotel looked back then, but now they have renovated it. And yeah, that is me. I'm gonna put this here. So we have my luggage here. Whew, with everything. As you are there at the bed, you will see that so basically this is how everything looks from the door side. Then we have my bag and my carry bag. Yo, this bag is heavy. I don't know, is it my shoes or is it me? It feels like a hammer. But yeah, I just guess. Yes. And then from here, still standing at the door, we have the bed. Yes, it's a single bed. I'm so used to double bed, and single bed just feels so awkward. So that's how everything is decorated. It's all white. Okay, and then we have this fine printed with that. Let's see if we come a little bit. Okay, if we come a little bit closer, is this the original version? Is this the original version? Or is it, you know, inspiration from the original one? Yes, so we have that, and on the upper you can see that italic. What? Huh. Yes, that's how it looks. And then we have the cupboards here. Let's see, what will we find in these cupboards? Oh, okay, in the cupboard, let me open both doors. So in the cupboard, you will find this, just your hangers that you can put there, and then your safety thing. But I'm gonna ask for the key because I don't see any keys here. And that's my laptop. Let's close this door. And then this one. So we have closed that door. What else should I show you? And from here, we have the map. They provide you with a map, and I have booked my stay at booking.com. So this is the whole map at Venice. All of this. And from here, who's the most prettiest in this whole world? It's you, it's me, it's you and me. Everybody is pretty in their own ways. So yeah, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So we have this fine mirror here, like Cinderella type of mirror, the ones that we usually see in those cartoon movies. So what else should I show you? Oh, we have the chandelier, but why is the other bulb not working? This one specifically. So that's how it looks all the way up. And from there we have my my windows with the cartoons here. Curtains. It's like I'm surrounded by different people with different cultures, so it's like too many. I'm getting affected by my environment, so too many cultures. You speak with different people from different culture, which is actually a blessing. But then some way, somehow, you end up inheriting how they speak, or that you change a little bit. Not change behavior-wise, but I mean change through your speaking and seeing. You know, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm tired. Then we have that. And then we have, so from that window thing, we have my mirror, and then the windows, and then there is the deco that I'm talking about, the italic voice, and of course we have this, which is our window, but there's no night view here. I don't know. I always get But I can't complain. I can't complain at all. And from there we have the desk if you want to do some reading, and then our television. Let's see what's popping. Let's see on the television what's popping right now. Huh? What's popping? Okay, what's popping right now? Tell me. Really? So there's nothing? Huh? Oh, italic. You know, I usually used to see these movies back then on television on NBC, but right now I'm seeing the people, the italic people, flesh to flesh. A lot of them, not only one or two, they come and visit Namibia, but I'm seeing a lot of them, and whew, their food is amazing. Yesterday I went to eat. I have a different blog where I'm trying out Italian food. Pachi. Oh, their food is amazing, fresh and nicely. You know, it's not overcooked, but I won't mind taking Italian cooking classes because they know how to cook. They definitely know how to cook. Let's do this. And from here, we are now in my bathroom, shower / toilet. So that's how it looks. Okay, I love it. So far, I love the bathroom, the color combination. I definitely love it. And then we have the bulbs here. And then we have something, you know, to dry your hair. Am I too hot? Am I too hot? So we have a hair dryer. Awesome. The purpose why the people doing this, I think it's to prevent people from stealing or, you know, misplacing it directly, so it's attached there, so there's not a possibility for somebody to misplace it and take it along. Then we have the soap here. Okay. And then what is this? Is it something that opens? Okay, there we go. And then we have our curtains there. They've disinfected the toilets. Okay, which is good. And then we have ta-da! I think next time I need to start getting a bath. It's only that due to COVID, I don't want to take any baths. You know, those baths. I don't want to take any bathrooms. Is it bathrooms? Yeah, it's a bath. It's a bath. Bathrooms or whatever, because you are sitting in it. So I opted for a shower. But once this COVID story ends, we are within. We are definitely within. So we have this. And so we have that. And what else should I show you? Does any gel come in if I press? Really? Do I have to do this? Do I have to do this? There's no gel. Come on. So maybe I don't know what that is for. So in the shower,